Hi guys, welcome to the Deriv channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys what the strategy you can use to this is a part two. This is a part two strategy on the boom market strategy using the moving average, the RSI and the main chart, guys. This is a part two strategy, and then if you have it's based on how you guys can make your strategy on boom. I already make a video on how you guys can use this strategy on crash indices, and if you haven't got that video out, make sure you check that video out. I'll be posting the link in the description below of this video, guys. Make sure you check it out on how you guys can make your strategy on crash indices. This is a part two video on how you guys can make your strategy on boom indices, guys. Make sure you stay tuned with me till the end of this video, guys. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to me by subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also on post notification. Later I post strategy, you guys should be aware. Now, guys, I already take this strategy most of the time, and I've already used it on my account to make a profit with the strategy, guys. Now let me show you guys the trade that I took with this strategy, guys. Now this is the trade, guys. This is the trade that I took with this strategy, guys. As you can see, I have some losses and I also profit. The loss that I took with this strategy is mostly that I fall asleep with the market. The market's already running into a massive profit, but I fall asleep. I slept off. Then the market literally retreated back to where I take the trade and so give me some losses. But this is But with this award, I also make a profit of almost $150 with the strategy, guys. This means that the strategy is very effective and it's a profitable strategy, guys. Now, guys, let that be strategy without waiting much of our time. Now we'll be using our crash boom 300 and me for this today video, guys. Now the first thing we are going to do is we are going to first add our indicator up. Now I already make a video on how you guys can make the indicator on the crash indices, and I'm also going to show you guys how you can make some strategy on boom as well. I'm going to give you guys the setup for the indicators. Now, guys, go to the icon right at the top. Go to the icon right at the top. And after go there, then you click on, let me edit everything up. Then you click on this icon right here. Click on this icon, then add your indicator up. Now this is the indicator you are going to be adding is our RSI. This RSI is the actual most accurate and profitable indicator to trade boom and crash and keep the market crazily. This RSI was the number one strategy, guys. Number indicator then we'll be adding it up. Now this is the parameter for the indicator. Period is 5, apply to close, no style, and this is the levels, guys. This is the levels, guys. Set everything up like this and click on done. After set everything up, the indicator, the next thing to be adding is our moving average. Now click on this F icon, then add your moving average. The first moving average you are going to add is when the period is 15 to 0, method is exponential, apply to close, and the color is and the color is red. You can choose color of your choice. Then the color I'm going to use is red. After setting everything up like this, then click on done. We have our indicator. Now the last indicator we are going to be adding is our moving average as well. Now the moving average is the period is 5, it's 0. Method is also exponential, apply to close, and the star is blue. You can choose color of your choice. Then after everything up, then click on done. Then you have our moving average right there. Then after set everything up, this is how it's going to look like in your chart. Now you can figure out something right here, guys. Now we are going to be using multiple time frame, which the number of time we are going to be using our 15-minute time frame. And the second time frame we are going to be using is our 1-minute time frame. The 15-minute time frame is just to discover the market trend and know the market condition correctly, and then know where we are going to where we are going to take our trades, guys. Now the 1-minute time frame is when you are going to where you are going to enter our trades, guys. Now after you come to 15-minute time frame, then you discover the market trend. You cover the market trend by by using your moving average. The moving average when the moving average are the 90 levels of the RSI. It's 90 levels of RSI. That indicates that the market is in down trending market. And when the moving average is at the 10 levels of the RSI, this indicates that the market is in uptrend market. Now currently the market is an uptrend market. You can see this is right here. The market is an uptrend market. It's also in our chart. That's mean that the market is what? It's an uptrend. It's an uptrend market. Now, guys, when we know that the market is what is in the uptrend market. The next thing we are going to do is what is the market our zone, the reactive zone that the market react to, the zone that the market react to. That is the zone we are going to mark out, and then we are going to be using our line to mark that area out. We are going to be using our line to mark that area out. I already marked that area out, and I'm going to do it for you guys from scratch. Now, guys, this is where the market usually react to. You can see we have everything up. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, and number 6, and then the last one. That's the reactive zone the market react to. Now, after you mark out the zone, then the next thing we are going to do is switch your time frame to spot your entries, guys. Now, let's say you want to scalp with this strategy, guys. This is the first thing you are going to do. Now, you are going to wait for your moving average to reach the 90 levels of RSI on 1 minute time frame, and then you wait for the moving average cross over each other. Waiting for the moving average, the blue color, you can see the blue color crossing over the red line. That indicates that the market is in a downtrend market. And then you can see the market where the market is at the key zones. It's at the key zones. Now, sometimes the market might come to the key zone and then continue spiking. Now, that is why you are going to make sure the moving average is at the 90 levels and and the crossover of the moving average. Now, after you figure out everything out, then you come to your chart and find out the key zone. When the market comes to this key zone, you can see what the market did. The market started trending to the downside. That's how you guys can make a strategy to scalp in the market. Now, if you want to use strategy to catch a spike in the market, same thing applicable. Now you have to wait for the moving average to come down to the 10 levels of the RSI. Now, after the market come down to the 10 levels of the RSI, then you wait for the market to come down to the active zone you mark out on 15-minute time frame. The market comes to on the 15-minute time frame. After mark everything out, then you take your trade by entering the market and set your stop loss with 5 to 10 candles to you catch your spike with this strategy. That's how you guys can make your strategy, guys. It's a simple strategy. I've already told you guys, simple strategy, and it's a effective strategy. You can use to trade this boom and cash crazily and profitable with this strategy, and be a profitable trader with this strategy. This strategy is very, very effective, guys. Very, very effective strategy. It's very, very effective strategy, guys. Make sure if you find this video helpful, guys, make sure do me a favor by subscribe to my channel, like this video, guys, and I'm going to post some notification later about the strategy. You guys will be aware, guys. And I also want to show you guys that if you are I'm currently working on my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, guys. When I'm done with it, then I will put the link on the description video. You can join it out for free, guys. Thank you, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.